Okay,
So
yeah, that's what I got as well.
yeah.
Okay.
So the standard deviation, obviously just the defining it, the measure of the spread in a distribution. If the standard deviation is small, then the data tends to be closer together, and if it's large, then it's more spread out.
Mhm. And then I guess we can just kind of skip number three.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, that's fine.
Sample variance, so that's the measure of the spread in a data set.
Yep.
Just the spread of data. Is that what you said?
It's the measure of the spread.
Okay, yeah. Um, Percentiles, the number with percentage of data, so the 50 percentile is large or as large as 50% of the data. Quartiles, 3 percentiles, 25, 25th, 50th, and 75th. Um, 5 number summary, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Box plot, a graphical representation of the 5 number summary.
All right. So number 6. So these were just the companies that they gave us in that mystery investment opportunities, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got the mean is 21.276. The standard deviation 37.679, and then the sample size for each company we got 41. B, the mean 33.482, standard deviation 49.311, and then 25.
Mm-hmm.
The mean, for number C, letter C, mean 41.122, standard deviation 79.177, and then 27. D, the mean 0.706, standard deviation 21.054, and then 49. E, the mean negative 1.084, standard deviation 21.297, and then 32.
Okay.
Is that what you guys got?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
So for the histogram, I didn't save it on my computer, so I don't have it. So did someone else want to go over that one? I don't know if there's any way to actually show what we got for that one.
Yeah.
I
I
have
was,
a question though. So, like, on the histogram, what do you input? Do you input the mean of each one? Like, how do you do that to find like the estimate like on the graph? Does that make sense?
Um, yeah, I remember. So there was a couple of graphs. You kind of had to like switch from one to the other.
Uh,
That makes sense. So I'm trying to remember when I did it. Um, I think you go to the descriptive analysis. No, quantitative descriptive. I can't remember what it's called now. Let me try and find
so
it.
so when you go to the link and it gives you all the numbers that you put in to find the mean, median, and stuff like that, you put
Yeah,
in those numbers in the graph.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to remember the right one because we did a few graphs. I'm pretty sure that was the right one.
I was just kind of confused by these graphs in this assignment. So I'm kind of as well.
Confusing. Um,
Well, this is just the one that he put on his.
oh yeah.
Because I don't have one either, but because I wasn't sure what data to enter.
Let me see if I can try find mine because I don't know why I didn't save it. But
well, I guess we could say that B and C are a lot, like, substantially lower than A and M, E, the average.
Yes. Yeah. I can do number 10. I was just trying to find how I did it really quick. Um, okay. So for number 10, the observation.
Mhm.
So should I just do maybe like the mean and the sum? So for the mean, I got 39.329, and then the sum was 0 for the second column. For the third column, it was 0.854, and then the variance was 0.142, and the standard deviation was 0.377. Did anyone have any questions on how to do those calculations or anything?
The standard deviation.
The standard deviation.
Yeah.
So the variance, so basically it's just the square root of what the variance is.
Okay. So 0.42 squared.
Yeah.
Okay. I totally remember that now. So the higher, what am I trying to say? I can't remember. Never mind, it'll come back to me.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, what you said makes sense, yeah.
Okay.
So the lower the deviation, that's like the smaller the graph,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then the larger the longer. Okay. All right, I'm good.
More data there is.
Are we good to move on to the homework?
The quiz.
Homework's a little bit longer this lesson.
Yeah, I think we could do that. Yeah, this one was long.
So the first one is the same question that we've just answered. It's the standard deviation, the measure of data spread in a distribution.
Yeah.
That one.
So here's which of the following box plots illustrates the patient loss rate data. And C, box plot C.
Oh, I opened the wrong one. What are you guys looking at?
The lesson 3 homework assignment.
Okay, we'll keep going on this. I'm just pulling it up. Oh, okay. All right, I'm good.
Okay. So yeah, so it was C because the middle line is the mean, right? And then the left side of the box is the first quartile, and then the third quartile. Is that right?
Yes.
The Bell quartile, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think I'm good with that one.
Okay.
So 2 is C, that's what you're explaining?
Yeah, 2 is
Okay.
box C.
All right. What is the shape of the distribution of wrong patient lawsuit costs? Right skewed.
Yep.
I had to. Find the mean about, find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong patient lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. I got 46,172.
Yeah.
And then it was find the median, and I got 18,882.
Mm-hmm. Okay, find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong patient lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. Hold on just a second. So 105,987.
If the distribution of the data is left skewed, we expect the box plot will have a longer whisker on the left side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for A, I honestly didn't really understand this one. So it's the box plots for two different data sets are given below. Which of these box plots has a greater percentage of data in the area that is highlighted in red? And the answer was C, the percentage of data is the same for both. But I didn't really know how they got that. Anyone?
Yeah, I kind of just gathered because since it kind of looks the same, like looks pretty equal, but
Is it because it's highlight, like, is it not about like the actual length of the highlighted, it's just that it is from the middle to the right?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, because that makes more sense.
Yeah, that's what I gathered from it at least.
If there was numbers.
It would be 50 to 75%.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Okay.
About 25% bigger.
Okay, that makes more sense then. Yeah, because I was like, that's not the same size.
It could be like a fraction, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
Use the data. Approximately how many students are in the survey? I put between 200 and 210.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Around there.
Yeah. Okay, how would you describe the shape of the distribution of wages? Right skewed?
Yep.
So is
I
it
think that one is so confusing because that's like right, but it goes to the left and left goes to the right.
yeah, that's what I was confused about too.
So when it's skewed, it's always like
Opposite.
when it isn't. Yeah, basically.
I think it would be.
Make it harder than that has to be.
Yeah.
Okay, so find quartile 1 for the study time data summarized in the box plot above. So 4.
Yeah. One of the observations represented in the box plot above is suspected outlier. How long did the student spend studying? I put 14 hours.
How did you get 14?
Because that one that's right above the 14 would be the outlier because it's like the one that's
I see that.
totally different from the rest of them.
So I thought that where the line is like the whisker is goes up to the outliers, but that one is just way out there. Is that why it's named?
Yeah, so the outliers can be like clear out there.
Okay. But
They
12 is like where the majority of like the lesser were, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah.
Is this included in like the mean too, the outlier?
I don't actually remember if it was included in the mean.
I think it does.
I guess it would be because if it's one of the numbers that's included.
Okay. The lowest 25% of hours spent on the exam are approximately between what two numbers? 2 and 4.
Yeah. Yeah. What is the mean of the data illustrated in the box plot? And the answer was need more data. So I
Yeah.
thought 6 was the mean.
That's
So
what I thought
is
too.
that the median then?
I thought that it was the mean.
Okay, let me try to see if I can get the.
I think I have it open.
Maybe it's the median.
Mm. So on the book textbook, it says, so it has like a picture of a box plot and then the dark line in the middle, and it says that it's the median. The middle is the median.
Yeah, I just found the same picture. Okay,
So,
it's not the mean, it's the median.
mhm.
Okay.
I thought it was the mean too.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The next one.
So let's see. So 15. Match each graph below to the description of its shape. The uniform was B. Bell shape, I had D. Right skewed A. Left skewed E. And symmetric but not bell shaped or uniform was C.
Yeah. Was everyone good on those ones?
Mhm.
Yeah.
I think I just closed my feed. So let's try and find it.
Okay. So 16 is a reporter creates a histogram of baseball player salaries and finds that a distribution of salaries is right skewed. Which measure of center would be greater, the mean or the median? So this one I didn't really understand too well either. So it says it was the mean, but does anyone know why?
No, I was confused on that one too.
Is it because it's right skewed? Like, is the right skewed have something to do with it? Let me see if I can find something.
You're talking about all of them as a whole?
Yeah, I'm pretty
Okay.
sure if they have an example of I just don't remember us reading it.
I would say the median, because the median isn't it the highest number subtracted by the lowest number?
No, that one is the range.
Oh, dang it, never mind then. That was me.
So
But
the answer that he had on the key was mean, but I just don't really understand that.
well, there is more like um, higher data than low data. So averaged all together.
So I just found it in the book. So it says the sample mean is the most common tool to estimate the center. Um, so I guess that's just it. Just in general, the mean is the center. I think that's why I got confused because I thought the box plot, the mean was the middle.
Yeah.
A graph, the middle is the mean. But a box plot, the median is the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So confusing. Okay.
Scientists tested for the presence of many hazardous elements from nuclear reactors. He considered the concentration of plutonium -238. Plutonium -238 is a radioactive waste generated by nuclear reactors. He wants there to be as little as plutonium -238 in the tank as possible. The data below gives a concentration of plutonium-238 in nanocuries per liter. What is the mean of the concentration level? I got 28. That's what I got.
Yeah. I got 28.54.
0.5. Okay.
Yeah, same.
Okay. I just must have rounded down instead of rounding up.
Okay, what is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with an A in the table above? So on it says -23.9, but I wasn't really sure on a couple of these how they did those.
So, for that one, so you would do 4.6 and then you would take away 28.54, which is the mean of like all of them.
Okay,
Does that make sense? So then you would do that for each of them.
and that's why it's the negative then. Okay, okay, that makes sense.
So the next one, what is the value of this number that goes in the position marked B in the table above? So for that one, I got 1,777.5.
So how did you do that one then?
So that one I did 40. So what I did is I got the deviation from the mean first. So I got 70.7 and I took away 28.54.
Uh-huh.
Then I got 42.16, which is in the second column. And then I squared. So I did 42.16 times 42.16.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, what is the sample variance of these concentration levels? 904.1 squared. Is it squared?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the sample standard deviation of these concentration levels? I got 30.1.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, and then the last one is which of the following sets of numbers has the largest standard deviation? So that's C, but I didn't get that one either. I didn't really know how to.
I think because since it's the standard deviation, so it's like the spread of it, like which one has the largest spread? So it'd be 0 to 10 because the other ones are like numbers that are really close together, or like B, it's the same number all across.
Oh. So it's the largest spread.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay.
Okay, so now the quiz.
Yeah. Oh, well, and just number 23.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
Sorry.
One more.
93. I thought that was the last one.
Yeah, just that.
When the error is corrected, what will happen to the sample deviation? So the male was, they put him at 12 and he's supposed to be 21. The standard deviation will decrease.
Yeah.
So is that just because there's less data? No, not, sorry. Let me read that again. So why does it decrease?
I think it's because since, just like how in that other one, it's like the spread of it.
From
So
12.
if you're getting another one that's right next to those other numbers, it keeps it closer together.
Oh,
Instead
Like
of,
shortening the width, the span.
yeah, that makes sense.
okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, pick that quiz up. Okay, is everyone?
Almost. I'm
So the
waiting for it to load.
so the group collaboration thing,
Mhm.
we just like don't. What do we do for that? I was really confused.
I just post the link to it. You guys don't really do anything. I'll just post the link and then that's it, basically. And I think it's like for communication if you wanted to communicate that way.
Okay.
Yeah. I think email is probably better. I don't really
So
post
it's
that.
so it's just always like whoever does the meeting.
Yeah, then they'll have the link to the meeting and then they can just post it.
So we
Oh,
can do in turns each week. So
yeah, that sounds good.
yeah.
So I think like if we just do one next week, post the link twice.
Yeah, I think so.
Or we could like hang up and just like do another one as well.
Okay, yeah.
Sure.
Okay, we have to download a file.
Oh.
And it says that we need to round our decimals to three decimal places.
It always takes me forever to download these things on my laptop.
Okay, my computer does not want to open this.
Um,
Okay, I just got it. Downloaded.
Mine's like transferring it into gibberish. It's not even
Oh.
words.
Do you have the SPSS on your
Yeah,
computer?
yeah. Oh, it's not working.
So if you open it up, then you do file open, then data. You can just find it on your computer. It should work.
Okay, I'll try that. It's still not letting me open it. Even in SPS. Can you screen share it?
Yeah.
I think. Do you know how to do that? Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
oh, yeah,
Okay, so I'll just leave that up as we go through this. Okay, so the first question. Oh, actually, I guess we should read this part first. So it says, on rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Stahel conducted a study on these mistakes of the lawsuits that followed. So get the data file. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. So the first question is find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. So let's see if I can do this right. So I go to analyze and to explore, I think. It's the mean amount hospitals had to pay to the wrong site.
So when you do it on the computer, when it gives you like this statistical analysis and stuff, does it take both the wrong side and the wrong patty side, like both of those numbers?
Let me do it again. I don't think you can see it. Let me change how I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So I have this. So then I go to Analyze, Descriptive, Statistics, Explore, and then the question was asking for the wrong sites. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I moved that over to the dependent list and clicked OK. And then this is where we see like the wrong site name and that stuff.
Okay.
So that's our answer right there. The $80,041.24.
0.42.
24. Right?
80,000.42, is that what you said?
Yeah. So 80,041.24. Oh, the nearest whole dollar, so that'll just be 41 then.
Oh, okay.
So did everyone get that one?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Then the median is the same one, the wrong site. So it's right here, it's 68552. Can everyone see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thanks for sharing that.
Oh yeah,
Makes it
no
easy.
worries.
It makes it easier for me to understand that I do it on my own.
Yeah.
Visual helps a lot.
So the next one is standard deviation, and that is right here. So we'd round that up. So that would be 71404. Would that be right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So the next one says hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. Reference 1. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represents their survival times in months. 5/1913. Okay.
Okay, that's in months.
What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients?
So we're gonna have to just calculate this on our own.
Do we have to round it at all? I got 4.75.
So at the beginning it said round to 3 decimals, I think.
To 3 decimals?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it said at the top. So I got 9.25.
Oh,
Is that right? 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 divided by
okay.
4. Oh wait, just
5 plus 19.
4, 27, 25.75.
I just got 7.
yeah. No, I
Yeah,
got 7.
I got 7 before that too.
Sorry, I put it in wrong the first time. 7. Okay.
We can work with that.
So 7?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing it on my phone, so it's not very reliable.
Oh, you're fine.
The median
Would be
So if we put it in order, so it would be 1, 3,
1, 3, 5, and 19.
so it would be 4.
So you add 3 and 5 and divide them by 2? That's how you do that?
I think you just go right in the middle, right?
What it would be? I think so.
So wouldn't it be 4? Wait, you said 2?
No, it would be 4.
4? Okay, I agree with 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess that's right in the middle.
Okay. If you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Give the number that would be entered into this space labeled A in the table above.
Okay, so the mean was 7. So we do
So
19, take
12?
away 7. Yeah,
Would be 12 or negative 12?
it would be 12.
Okay.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I got 12.
Okay. So the next one is what would be in the space labeled B. So that would be 1, take away 7, which is minus 6, times minus 6, which is minus.
Positive 36?
Yeah.
Or is it 36?
Yeah, positive 36, right?
Yeah, that's what I got it.
Okay.
The standard. Oh,
Sorry. Standard deviation for the survival times. Give your answer in months rounded to the nearest 10.
So,
So wouldn't it just be the squared deviation, like unsquared?
Um, so I think we have to go through and do all of them.
Okay.
I'm gonna write it down.
yeah.
Okay. 9.67.
So how did you get that?
Well, I actually don't know if I even did it right. So like if you on the book, if you click on one of like the examples that he has like a graph and you put in the numbers on the side and it automatically puts it into standard deviation.
Oh,
That's nice.
It's called quantitative descriptive statistics example.
oh. Well, if you did it automatically, then that should be right.
I can show it to you guys if you want to look at it
Yeah.
to see. Okay, just a second. I have so many things open, I can't do that. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see the screen share?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Okay, so right here you put the numbers in. That's the graph, and then it,
That's a lot easier than what we were doing.
oh, that now it's 8.1. Did you put the numbers in there? 8.164.
Okay, so we round to the nearest 10.
So 8.2.
So what was that number again?
Oh,
8
8.12. Actually, 8.127.
127. Okay.
Oh wait, I told you that it's 8.164.
What?
So
Wait, did you say sorry?
8.164. So round it to the 10, so it would be 8.2.
Okay. So 8.
Okay.
Does that look like it? That's how you do
Yeah.
Sorry, what was that?
it? Does that look like correct?
Oh yeah, no, that looked correct because the mean was the same as what we calculated and everything. So.
Okay.
All right. So for the next 3 questions, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit costs. What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit costs or lawsuit data? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
Okay, so how would we get that up? So would that be the, oh, so that would be the minimum, the maximum, and then,
Like the 25, 50, and 75?
Oh, oh, that's odd.
so I have, oh, just kidding, I have the other one. I think
So
I can get
the minimum would be 1, right?
I don't know.
And then the maximum 19.
also, no, it's going back to the other data now.
Yeah, back to the
That
wrong.
one?
It's going back to what we had for the first few questions.
Yeah.
So I can get that as PSS up and share my screen again. Okay, so I have the median, the minimum, and maximum. I'm not sure how to get up the quote. So the first number, which is the minimum, there we go, would be 0. So that would be our first
Zero.
one.
Oh, okay.
And then the second number would be the 25%. Don't know how to get that. So does anyone know how to get that?
Mm.
What's the average or the median?
The median is 18882.
You could divide that by half. That would be a quarter.
That's true.
Yeah, I could do that. 2 divided by. So 9441. 9,441.
That's
Sorry,
25.
that again? 94.
9,441.
Okay. And then the fourth number, so that would be the 75%.
So the median is 18,000.
Yeah, so the median's right there.
1882. Okay.
So that plus that 9,000 number that we just got.
Yeah.
So that would be 28323.
Yep. 280.
Is that what everyone else got?
Yeah.
Sorry, say that one more time.
28323.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
So,
So
red
is that 4 numbers or 5? So I have 0, 9,441,
Yep.
18,882, 28,323. Is that right? Is there
Yeah,
supposed
I
to be one
didn't.
more?
So I just have the first. So number 11, the first number is 0. Number 12, the second number is 9,441.
Oh, I didn't look down.
Oh,
I put them all in that one little tab.
I see.
My bad. Never mind.
So 11 is 0. 12 is 9,441. And then 13 is 28,323.
Okay. I had those. I just didn't look forward.
Oh, you're fine.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at a Redbox. Let's answer the next 3 questions based on the following box plot. So what is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times? Give an estimated number.
100? I like 95? Oh,
190 maybe?
yeah, 190. Okay. So that would be like the shaded blue part.
What was that, sorry?
The shaded bluish part. That's the third.
It would be the line in that box, right? The third quartile?
That's what I think.
The line in the box.
No, so you have the orange and then the green and then the outlining line of the green would be the
Okay.
That would be the N.
Okay, so yeah, like 190-ish.
and then
What's the longest observed time of the Redbox customers in this study? Estimated in seconds.
710?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
So
This
the
can,
line isn't moving. What did you say?
this cannot be determined.
Yeah, I would say so. It's like that other one that said the same thing.
Yeah.
This is all the information they gave us.
The middle is the median.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can't do that one. Okay. I think we're good to submit then.
Okay.
Cross our fingers.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 2 wrong.
Oh, and that 5 number one.
Oh. Okay. Well, I think we can retake it.
Yeah, you can take it twice. Find the median and then
Okay. I'm going to write down these really quick so we don't forget them. The ones that we got right.
On the feedback on the 4th number, it says, since Excel and SPSS calculate the quartile 3 differently, in this case there can be different answers where SPSS has a higher quartile 3 value than Excel.
Oh.
That's the feedback it gets.
where are you reading this? On the quiz?
What?
Oh, never mind. I see it. So is
I'm
it
just gonna
saying that it could be right, but it's not?
I don't.
I don't know. It's confusing.
Yeah, that doesn't help me. So, but there's only 1, 2,
So should we leave it and then he'll correct it, or?
I don't know.
4. How many did you guys get wrong?
2.
2. I have 4. Maybe I just typed it in wrong. So 3 and 4. What numbers were you guys looking at that we got wrong? 3 and 4.
3, we put 80,041.
Oh, that one was right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 4, we put 68,552.
Okay.
So I don't know if we should redo that question because I don't know what would be the right question. Should we put it in Excel, maybe?
But, like, what's confusing is, like, what answer does he want? From the SPS one or Excel?
I wonder if you put in like both of them so that it could take either one, you know? Because like with these estimated ones at the bottom, I'm sure you put in like different ones for that.
Yeah. Well, let me put it in Excel and see what it gives us if I put that together.
Okay.
Was it wrong patient or wrong site?
Wrong site, wrong patient. Oh, which one is it?
Yeah.
Wrong patient.
Okay. Let me copy and paste those. Okay, so for the 25th percentile, it says 3,900. And then what else did we get wrong? There's 75. That seems way off.
The fourth number and the 500 summary.
And 75 percentile is 5,145.5. So
For the fourth percentile?
for the 75th. So that would be for the third quartile. Okay. So I have those numbers if we want to try it again, see if they work.
Alright.
Okay. So I wrote down all the numbers. So true, and then 80041. 68552. 71401.
7140.
404, I'm sorry. 71404.
Which number are you on? My computer just loaded it.
Oh, you know what? I can put them in and then I can share my screen. Does
Okay.
that work?
Yeah.
Okay. So, starting at question 3. Can you see them okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see them.
Okay.
68,
Did you get that one?
552. Yeah. This is for fourth.
5.
5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 8.
Okay, are we good for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Is that 36 or 38?
that's 36.
36? Okay. That's 3,900.
Yeah.
What do you have for 10?
Oh, sorry, 10 was 8.2.
Okay.
11 is 0. 12 is 3,900. And then 14,
13.
13, yeah. So it says to the nearest cent, so would that be it?
Yeah.
Okay.
13.
That's 13.
Okay. What was 12 again? Sorry.
It's
I think shut up. There we go. 3,900.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then 14. Oops. Okay. We got those?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay. So that should be it.
Perfect. Got 100.
Yay.
What was 4?
4 was 68,542.
Okay, and then nope, never mind. Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
So I can do the meeting next week if you want.
Yeah, when
Uh,
do you guys want to meet? Would Tuesday
Tuesday?
work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Tuesday.
Tuesday at, was
3.
it 30?
Yeah, 1:30 will work for me.
No, sorry, 30.
3:30.
Tuesday at 1:30?
No, 3:30.
3:30? Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, and do you want to do both so we just meet once?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
good.
both lessons done?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll see
All right.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.